Now he's wrapped around the fingers, she's the center of his whole world. And his heart belongs to that sweet little beautiful, wonderful, perfect all-American girl. 16 short years later, she was bombing for a senior football star. Before he knew it, he was dropping passes, escaping practice just to spend more time.